Ready for a student living experience like no other? Stay at the Unilodge Lincoln House in Melbourne and experience the city's famous beaches, coffee culture, and sports scene firsthand. Located at Bouverie Street, Unilodge Lincoln House offers a range of ensuite and single-bedroom apartments that are fully furnished, with sleek beds, private study space, wall-mount shelves, wardrobes, and ample storage space. Plus, you'll also have access to a fully decked-out communal kitchen, perfect for all your cooking needs. The communal amenities are equally impressive too. From movie nights in the cinema room to challenging your flatmates to a match of pool at the games area and an exclusive state-of-the-art gym, Lincoln House has it all. Want some fresh air? Head up to the outdoor rooftop deck and enjoy some coffee or hot chocolate while taking in the stunning views of Melbourne. With an all-inclusive bill policy and round-the-clock Wi-Fi, life here is a breeze. With the RMIT campus just a stone's throw away and the University of Melbourne only a 5-minute drive away, you can finally hit that snooze button guilt-free. Plus, with easy access to major public transport networks, exploring the city has never been easier. Start your dream life and explore everything amazing with Unilodge Lincoln House. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.